Perhaps it's the presence of age-old cultures. Or maybe it's the lush tropical mangroves and the glorious beaches. For there's always an extraordinary enchantment in the air. And that's probably why Goa is not just another place, but a whole experience. Just like an exceptional single malt. That's why I chose Goa as home to our single malts. My father ran a chain of liquor stores, and alcohol wasn't new to me. At an early stage, I realized that alcohol was of interest to me, although I did try my hands in other businesses. I've always enjoyed single malts, treasuring the experiences each dram offers and the emotions they awaken. Somewhere down the road, I started to think, why not make my own single malts? And thus I set out to do my research. It wasn't an easy journey, but I finally managed to put up the plant and launch the brand. But today, we've been able to bring the soul of India across the world, and we've been so honored with the appreciation and the awards we've received.
Unlike most single malt whiskies that use 2-row barley, we use 6-row barley grown in the foothills of Himalayas in our whiskies. We believe this huskier barley contributes tremendously to the depth of our whiskey's character, along with the premium quality of the naturally sourced water. The long necks of our exclusively designed copper pot stills ensures maximum contact with the copper, giving the new make spirit a rich, full-bodied flavor. The whiskies are matured in carefully selected American oak casks, and the humidity of the region hastens the speed of the maturation to such an extent that the angel share is often at 8%. The whiskey owes much of its natural and diverse rich colors, from sparkling copper to dark mahogany, and its distinct flavors of spices, fruit, vanilla, honey, and much more, to the oak of the casks.
We have 3 flagship expressions, 2 select casks, and occasionally a limited edition. Each expression is non-chill filtered. Brilliance is non-peated with a soft, sweet fragrance and gently spiced flavors. Edited has a hint of peat and rich flavors of mocha and vanilla. The peated bold has a hefty spice and a rare dash of tobacco and smoked bacon. The appreciation we've received from the international palate after the launch in the UK has encouraged us to go to the rest of the world. It's been a long journey, but without doubt, it's been a great experience, and we are very excited of what lies ahead.